Just got home back from school. I'm going to go meet up with some friends tonight to study and announce a very exciting project. Anyways, shout out to little sis and
God, you smell.
Yeah, I have to go take a shower. Okay, so I wasn't expecting or planning on filming a video today because it's a school night and I usually like to focus on just getting my schoolwork done and going to bed on an early time. However, today is a special occasion. Well, I guess yesterday was, because yesterday we hit 50,000 subscribers on the channel, which is completely mind-blowing. Like just 1 month ago I was at 2,000 subscribers and I was like, alright, well I made some cool videos while living in France and I'm going to junior year, so I'm going to be super busy with running, school, and just trying to find time to just survive junior year. And so I was like, yeah, I might make a few videos here and there, but you know, I kind of had my shot and well. And then the YouTube algorithm decided to just... And now because of that, I have some exciting news to announce. Some very exciting news to announce. So if you're interested in studying abroad next summer, stick around to the end of the video. All of you being here is so awesome. I've been getting so many amazing messages saying I've been a positive impact on some part of your life, and that just makes me so happy. That's the whole point of this channel. Yeah, so many good things have come out of this. I'm super fortunate, so huge thank you to all of you guys. It means the world to me. I'm excited to continue to take you guys around through my life as I develop as a teen and continue to see the world. We did that in one take. We're just gonna go with it. My friend is about to pick me up in a minute and we're gonna go to the UNC library to get some studying done, so we get to see a little bit more of what a college campus looks like. About to go do some homework. Boom, it's a Tuesday. Not even halfway through the week, but optimism, because we're gonna get there. A new whip? Fair enough.
How's it going?
It's going well.
I'll meet you there in a little bit, okay?
Alright, bye.
Bye.
Thank you for driving.
I'd rather be hurt by you. Rather be hurt by you.
Getting that work done. Out here learning math. Radiant triangle. Becky, how's the homework going? Studying. It's 9:06. But I gotta be quiet.
A 4-minute mile?
I'm excited to announce that I'm working and collaborating with a study abroad company that provides study abroad programs all around the world, and we're working together to create a 2-week trip in France next summer. The whole goal would be to bring my subscribers and bring them to France. I know a lot of you guys have been interested in studying abroad. I've gotten a lot of questions and DMs asking if I was I've been getting a ton of questions in the DMs asking if I was an exchange student, if I've done study abroad, etc. And we thought it'd be a great idea to make an actual program to bring all of you guys along to travel with me in France, seeing some of the most beautiful places in the world, all while getting outside of your comfort zone, getting confidence, and just having fun as a group. So I've made a Google form that I will link in the description. Once we've gathered around how many people are interested in going, we can kind of finalize a lot of the details, like where we're going, types of transportation, and exactly what we're gonna be doing there. So yeah, hopefully I'll get to meet a ton of you guys. We'll get to travel around France together. You'll be in my videos. We'll see beautiful places. Fill out the form in the description, and cheers. So, thank you again for 50,000 subscribers. Absolutely insane. I appreciate all of you. I'm so excited to have all of you here. I'm also working on another project. It's a video project that I'll be announcing in the next couple of days, so stay tuned for that one. And I really am doing my best to get out as many interesting videos as I can while still performing well in school. So I appreciate your patience with all of that. How many takes have we done?
We've done too many takes.
We've done
too many takes of this shot. It's ridiculous.
We've done like a million takes of this, so hopefully that made sense. If it doesn't, ask questions in the comments. I'll try to get back to you with them. Thank you, appreciate all of you. And I have to go home to get sleep for my race on Saturday. Peace out.